Friends, welcome to MSR Web Tech YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our channel if you don't subscribe and press bell icon to get regular updates of our channel. Let's get started with the today's topic. Today's topic will be list in HTML. Lists are very important in HTML because we want to do some items in a priority manner like this or unpriority manner. We use list for good presentation purpose. Here we have different kinds of list. Ordered list. Ordered list, generally we use ordered list for priority based items. For example, different kind of rankers. First ranker get the first place and second ranker get the second place, third ranker get the third place. Similar manner, to get the differentiate between different items, we use ordered list to arrange the elements in order manner. And its starting tag will be OL and ending tag will be / and OL. Next, unordered list. Unordered list, if all items has equal priority, then we use unordered list. Unordered list, starting tag will be UL and ending tag will be / UL. And definition list. Definition list is just like as a subscript. It generally gives the definitions for particular items. For example, HTML, its full definition is hypertext markup language. To define these definitions, we use definition list. Generally, we don't use definition list. And list item. List item is used to specify the item within OL tag and UL tag. We will write the item name within the li. Its starting tag will be li and ending tag will be / li. And here let's get started with ordered list. As I said, to get the priority based manner, we use ordered list. There are mainly two types of attributes for ordered list. First type is type and second one is start. Type attribute. Type attribute is used to specify what type of value you are using. Generally, default value is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. If you want to define as capital A, capital B, small, capital C like that, we can also use capital letters, small letters, Roman 1, 2, 3 big values, small Roman values. Let's get started with the coding. For example, here I am taking an example. Top 3 batsmen with the highest international runs. First batsman is Sachin Tendulkar, second batsman is Kumar Sangakkara from Sri Lanka, and third batsman is Ricky Ponting. To get this in priority, both three are not equal in run manner. So we have to differentiate with 1, 2, 3 values. So let's coding this thing. I already coded this in the morning session. This code is common for each and every HTML, and now place with numericals. Here I did not specify any type. If you don't bother about that. If you are general default value is 1, 2, 3. So just Ctrl S. For getting the underline purpose, I use U and order list, ending tag order list, and Sachin Tendulkar is first, second Kumar Sangakkara, third is Ricky Ponting. Enclosed within list item tag. Just Ctrl S and refresh the page. Bye. And refresh the page and go to the folder where you have saved this file. Yes, we are getting top 3 batsmen with numericals. First one is Sachin Tendulkar, second one is Kumar Sangakkar, third one is in numerical manner 1, 2, 3. To get this in capital letters, I will show you. just here type equal to capital A, just Control S and refresh this page. Yes, we are getting ABC, and to get this in small alphabet, just change type equal to small a, Control S, and we are getting small ABC. And to get this in big Roman, just Control S and we are getting 1 2 3 big Roman. To get this in small Roman, just use small Roman value as 1 2 3 in small Roman value. That's it. Next attribute will be start attribute. Generally values, numerical values starting from 1 2 3. Starting from 1 2 3. So just type equal to just give 1 and start value is 5. If I give start value as 5, just Control S and it is giving 5 6 7 in ordered manner. Next thing, for getting the big capital, start value is 5, it will get start from E F G. For getting the small values, start with E F G small values, but values here is different. To get Romans, big Roman, we use starting value will be to get 7 and starting, and it will get in 7 8 9. To get in small Roman, we will get small Roman 7 8 9, like that. That's it. It's the order list. Use of the type attribute and start attribute. Next thing is unordered list. Unordered list, just change the value. For example, we have same priority elements, just like apple, banana, mango, are the different kinds of fruits available in particular market. There is no priority among these, so we just differentiate with the help of some shapes. This is also has type attribute, but its values are square, circle and disc. Just let us differentiate these things. It is Control S and refresh the page. Yes, we are getting in square shape. Just change the shape to circle. Just Control S and refresh the page. Yes, it is getting into circle. Just change this into disc. Control S and we are getting into discs. That's it. These are unprioritized items. So I think these lists are understood by you, and how to use this order list and order list also understand by you in easy manner. And last and final item is definition list. Definition list just like a subscript. Here HTML its definition is, and HTTP its definition is. Just like that we use definition list. It is not much needed. Mainly we use order list and unordered list, and for this order list and unordered list we just use list item to enclose the item. That's it. Thank you very much, friends. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you are not visited our previous videos, I will give the link in the cardboards, and just click on that and watch this, and also give the links of the previous videos